Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find the option Personalize. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so the wallpaper, and we can simply, we can simply tap on it to open more options. So here under those previews we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got Curated Images, Dynamic, Image Studio and My Photos, which is basically your own gallery. So let me pick something maybe from Curated Images. After tapping on it, just tap on More Wallpapers, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. I mean sections, the albums actually. So you can find something interesting in those pre-installed options. Just give me a second, maybe something from the landscapes, or maybe not, maybe textures. So as you can see, you've got really plenty of beautiful options to choose from. So just tap on the specific wallpaper, and here you can check the preview on the lock screen and home screen. You can tap to edit, so for example you can zoom in or out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide how it will look like. So just tap on the stick icon if you're happy with the results, and tap on set wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. Just mark the option and then tap on set. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.